Good morning, good morning. Today, I realized that it has been over 120 days since I planted my sweet potatoes. So, I don't know if you forgot, but I did. So, I'm out here now. I'm going to see what we have. I have this feeling that, I don't know, they may have not done too well, but I feel like that sometimes with when I try something new. For the past couple years, I've planted sweet potatoes in containers and I've had really good success. Well, they grew. They weren't really big, but at least I did, produce sweet potatoes, right? So this year was the first year that I planted in the ground. But I don't know, I think I'm a little nervous. If you go back and look at my sweet potato video, I planted using sweet potato slips, and I started some from actual slips, and then I produced some by planting a sweet potato, a seed potato, and then once that slip got big enough, I removed it from the sweet potato and planted it in the ground. So this year the deer have been eating the sweet potatoes, which isn't a bother to the actual potato, which is growing in the ground, but they love the leaves, so they come out here and eat all the leaves. And this is what, it's really sunny, but this is what we have left after the deer. Everything is pretty much eaten. They trampled on it. You can see deer tracks here. So like I said, it's not really a huge deal because the potato itself is growing in the ground. So let's see what we got, see what's in the ground, and we'll go from there. Yeah, it's so small. Look at that. It's one. Let me pull that off. Now we're talking. Look at that. It's a nice sized potato. Jojo. All right. So I'm done with the potato bed. It wasn't a huge success like I was hoping, but we did get some potatoes. Turned this bed completely over, and I've got out what I could. And this is what we got. You got a lot of weird shaped ones, some super skinny. Like, this is a potato. It's a root, but this is my biggest potato. Then we got this one, and that one, and a bunch of tiny little potatoes. So let me just position this. So one big thing that I don't like about planting them in the ground is that they're hard to find. And I found potatoes that were much deeper than I planted, which in my mind tells me, oh girl, you need to keep going. You need to keep going deeper because there's more down here, when in actuality there may be none. So now I'm just digging and digging and digging. Versus the container, it's all contained in a bucket, in a big pot, and I know the depth, you know. So
Found one.
You got one? It's really deep, right?
Yep.
It's super deep. My son is still finding sweet potatoes. So next year I'm gonna plant sweet potatoes in a container. I didn't really like planting them in the ground. So I'm not gonna keep digging, because the further down I dig, I still find sweet potatoes, but they're small. So I'm really not missing out on much. But that's my experience. I would rather grow in a container versus the ground. I wish it could have been a better update, but you know, can't win them all. And that happens in gardening. You never know what you're gonna get, especially when you're talking about root vegetables. I am happy with what I have. I would love more big sweet potatoes, but I'll take it, okay? Because this is a pretty big potato. I like it, and I can do something with it.
Yams.
I'm gonna let them cure, and I'm gonna cook these babies up.
Yes.
And have some sweet potatoes.
Yes.
So so that's gonna be it for the day. Thank you guys for tuning in for the update on my sweet potato harvest. Here we are. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. It really helps our channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.